The key is inside you to open your mind. You know what is out there, your heart can be blind. Open your eyes and open your mind. Open your thoughts, don't stay behind. Open your eyes, open your mind, open your thoughts, don't stay behind. Open up, open up, open up, open up. Nescafe. Open up, open up. Erase all the borders and start in your head. Open your mind to thoughts seldom said.